Hey everyone, if you're gearing up for an SAP Business Objects interview and wondering how to nail those questions with confident answers, this video is for you. We'll cover the top 15 most frequently asked questions in SAP BO, with practical answers that sound just like you're sitting in front of an interviewer. Let's make sure you walk in ready to impress. So grab a notepad and let's dive in. Question number 1. What is SAP BO and why is it used? Answer. Sure. SAP BO, or Business Objects, is a suite of front-end applications that allow users to view, sort, and analyze business intelligence data. I've used it mainly for creating interactive reports and dashboards, empowering business users to make data-driven decisions without deep technical knowledge. Question number 2. What are the main components of SAP BO? Answer. In my experience, the key components I've worked with include Web Intelligence, Webi, Crystal Reports, Universe Designer, UDT IDT, and dashboards. Each has its role, for example, Webi for ad hoc reporting, and Universe Designer for creating semantic layers between users and data sources. Question number 3. What is a universe in SAP BO? Answer. A universe is basically a semantic layer between the database and the end user. I've created universes using both UDT and IDT to define objects, classes, and joins so users can run complex queries without writing SQL. Question number 4. What's the difference between UDT and IDT? Answer. UDT, Universe Design Tool, is the older tool that supports UNV universes, while IDT, Information Design Tool, supports the newer UNX format. I've worked with both, but IDT is more modern and supports multi-source universes, which is a huge plus when dealing with multiple data sources. Question number 5. What types of reports have you built using Web Intelligence, Webi? Answer. I've built both operational and analytical reports, including sales dashboards, inventory snapshots, and KPI scorecards. Using features like input controls, sections, and breaks, I made the reports more interactive and user-friendly. Question number 6. How do you handle performance tuning in SAP BO reports? Answer. Performance tuning is key. I make sure to limit data by using query filters, avoid unnecessary columns, and use database-level calculations when possible. I also schedule heavy reports during off-peak hours and monitor long-running queries regularly. Question number 7. What are input controls in Webi? Answer. Input controls are like interactive filters within a Webi report. They allow end users to filter report data dynamically without modifying the query, improving user experience significantly. Question number 8. Can you explain context and alias in Universe Design? Answer. Absolutely. Contexts help resolve loops in a universe by defining different join paths. Aliases are used to avoid fan traps or chasm traps. I always use them when the same table is required more than once in different roles. Question number 9. What is a fan trap and how do you resolve it? Answer. A fan trap occurs when a one-to-many-to-one relationship leads to incorrect aggregation. I usually resolve it by creating an alias for the table causing the issue and adjusting the joins appropriately in the universe. Question number 10. What's the difference between a personal, shared, and secured connection? Answer. Personal connections are saved locally, shared are available to all users on that machine, and secured connections are managed centrally in the CMS. In real-world projects, I always use secured connections for better security and version control. Question number 11. How do you schedule a report in SAP BO? Answer. I use the Central Management Console, CMC, to schedule reports. I can specify recurrence, format, PDF, Excel, etc., destination, email, folder, and parameters. It ensures reports are delivered automatically without manual intervention. Question number 12. What is the use of BO security profiles? Answer. Security profiles control what users can see or do in the system. I define them based on roles. Some can only view reports, others can create them. It's essential for managing data access and governance. Question number 13. What are derived tables in Universe? Answer. Derived tables are virtual tables based on custom SQL that I can define inside the universe. I use them when I need complex joins or calculations that aren't easily modeled with standard tables. Question number 14. How do you implement row-level security in a universe? Answer. I implement row-level security using restriction sets. I create a where clause based on user profiles. For example, a sales manager can only see data for their region, and apply it to the universe. Your final question number 15. How do you troubleshoot data mismatch issues in BO reports? Answer. First, I check the query and confirm it matches the source system. Then I verify joins, filters, and object definitions in the universe. If needed, I also compare the report output with a direct SQL query to isolate where the mismatch is happening. And there you have it, the top 15 SAP BusinessObjects interview questions with real, confident answers you can use. If you go into your interview with not just technical knowledge, but clear communication like this, you're already ahead of the game. Good luck with your prep. And remember, practice makes confidence. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and drop your favorite question in the comments. And if you're serious about acing your tech interviews, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.